Hey Tiffany, I just wanted to comment on your post. I would just have to say that I would agree on one thing that you said about students with disabilities having a difficult time not being able to have a physical contact with the teacher. I know that I personally teach one class at my school that is computer based, and the students really have a hard time because they do not have that just interaction with the instructor. So I have to spend a lot of time with them. Um, in that face-to-face conversation and teach them alongside of that computer program that they're taking the class on. Also, I'd like to comment on the you mentioned that the internet-based learning can provide them with the curriculum instruction they need with the learning, and I would have to agree. There's so many things out there on the internet that students with disabilities benefit from, and as teachers and future leaders, we have to be able to utilize that and help our students um, get their hands on that information. Thank you for your post this week.